What? What can I help you with? What can I help you with? Nope. Hi, beautiful. No barking. Come here. What do you want? You want to come up on the bed? You want to come up on the bed? Charlie? Come over here. Come here. Come here. Come. I'm going to give you kisses.